Struggling with hair loss? You're not alone, and we've got your back. Hi, I'm Julie, the founder of Universal Hair 2 Excel. I created this brand to help women like you regain their confidence and feel beautiful again. Hair loss can be tough, but remember, it doesn't define you. Our mission is to support your journey to rediscovery and empowerment. With Universal Hair 2 Excel, we offer solutions that are not just effective, but also gentle and natural. We understand that every woman's hair story is unique, so we've crafted our hair extensions and customized wigs that cater to your specific needs. We recommend products to nourishing scalp. To hair care routines, we've got everything you need to embrace your beauty and rebuild your confidence. Join our community of strong, beautiful women who've taken back control and rediscovered their sparkle. Your journey to regrowth and self-love starts here. How can we help you? Remember, you're more than your hair. And with Universal Hair 2 Excel, you're never alone. Let's reclaim your confidence together.